expected it to be a little further in. Let's go find a place to camp, okay? Let's find a place to sleep. All right. My phone says 2% left. So, I'm gonna have to charge it up tonight. Well, we're in Arizona. Arizona is always going to be home. This is where I grew up. Good to be home, good to be back in Grand Canyon State. Still got a nice ride to get back to Phoenix, but so according to the sign up here, Fredonia is actually still 2 miles away. Junction 89 is where we meet up with the 89 that goes through Page and Lake Powell. So we'll be on 89A for 87 miles, about 200 miles to Flagstaff, which is kind of the next big town. So other than a few small little towns where I can buy water and a few things, Flagstaff is where we'll do most of our major shopping next. Just look at that wide open space. Pretty amazing. Hopefully there'll be a road we can turn off and do some camping out in that wide open space. Maybe go hang out with the cliff dwellers. this is the first camping night in Arizona, or back in Arizona. And look at this view. Just amazing. Highway 89A, that's alternative, is right there. So we took a dirt road off. Here's the dirt road. And there were no signs about, no trespassing or, any of that private property stuff. I don't know I think this is BLM land. I don't know if you can see it, but down there are some canyons that are like you've got that flat land there, and then there's some canyons in there. It's just pretty amazing out here. Kind of on a little hilltop right here, so we got some wind. The dogs want to be fed, but I'm in Arizona, home. Notice I got the new hat, not the same as a Tilly. This protects against the sun, but if it rains, this wouldn't probably do much good like the Tilly would do. Not as rugged as my Tilly hat, but didn't have much of a selection back in Canabit. There was one store that sold outdoor type gear. And it, out here it's good for the sun. So this is our camp. I think Twinkie's probably inside the trailer. As soon as I put the sleeping bag and a few things inside the tent, they'll probably want to go in there. Unless she's already in there, I don't know. Nope. But this is just awesome. Look forward to seeing the stars tonight. It's a clear sky. But anyway, I've got to feed the dogs, feed myself, and get ready for bed. See you tomorrow.